Hey everyone, Austin here. If you want to update your profiles, change your login details, or control your data in Saner, everything lives inside your account settings. First, open Saner.AI and look at the top left corner of the screen. Click on your profile icons and then select Account. This is where you manage your personal information and account preferences. If you want to change your avatar, just click here to update a new profile pictures as long as they are under 2 megabytes. Second, if you want to change your display name, which is what you see across the app, you can click here and change it. Then, if you want to change the email address linked to your account, you can do that here by click Change Email button. This is useful if you're switching emails or want to clean up your logins. And for security, you can also reset your password at any time by clicking here to keep your account protected. Now, at the bottom of the account section, you will find the advanced data control options. Here, if you want a complete reset, you can choose Delete Account. This permanently deletes your Saner.AI account and all associated data. But if you just want a clean slate without losing your account, there's an Reset Content option. This removes all your save note, task, and personal data while keeping your account active. It's a great option if you want to start fresh without creating a new account. And that's everything inside the account settings. If you have any question or want help getting set up, feel free to reach out to us via email.